On an average, some of the children should be able to take off their clothes by the age of 22 to 30 months, that is around 2 to 2.5 years. And yes, it is also possible that some of the babies may start more earlier, that is around 18 months of age, but with help. So the milestone of undressing differs from one child to another, same as the other milestones do. Now you might be thinking, what is the right age when they'll be undressing up without any help? So when your baby is around 3 years, they are able to undress by themselves. The detailed month-wise videos, as I told, that I have already uploaded, and you can go in the description box or in the I button to get the more information about it. So by the age of 3, they will be able to put on the clothes, but they will still not know the front and back side of the clothes. So now let's move on to the red flags to watch for. If your little one is not showing interest in dressing up by the age of 30 months, and there might be some reasons behind it. So let's discuss on it. So the first reason is you may be pitching in and doing it for them all the time. So the solution is, and that you know very well, give chance to your little one to get dressed up and to get undressed both. What are you gonna do, Miggy, now?
Wear clothes.
You'll wear clothes?
Yeah.
Show me how you'll be wearing your clothes. It might take time for them to put on. Just wait and watch.
And it's not coming to.
Yay, you found it. Here Miggy baby just completed 3. As you can see that here I am giving him pretty good time to try. This is helping him to increase his hand-eye coordination, his focus.
And it's not coming.
After giving them enough time, you can help them a bit. Search, 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 search. It's here. Yay, very good. Yes, of course, you can help them out. The second reason is you might be giving them too fitted clothes or the exact size cloth, which will be difficult for them to put on. So the solution is you have to buy the extra loose cloth, that is bigger size cloth for them, and teach them how to put them on. And you won't believe, they are surely gonna love this activity and they're gonna learn a lot from it. Like as I told, that they are gonna improve their hand-eye coordination, gross motor skill, and also they'll build the confidence. And the third reason is, it is possible that you might not know how to begin with. I'll be talking about the solution for this problem in steps. So the first thing that you have to do is teach them to take off the cloth first. Because babies first learn to take off the cloth as it's easier than that of putting on the clothes. And you have to start with giving them the opportunity to take off their socks. Let them pull the socks and take it out. And this will build their confidence. Now the second point is complete the verbal commands with the visuals of each step. Like when you are helping your baby to put on their right leg, say them, pick up the right leg and put it in the hole. Now pick up the left leg. The same way when you are teaching them to put on the t-shirt, say put your right hand. Now put your left hand. So this way they are going to surely learn it faster. See, like this you have to put. Now you can put, see, like this. Put your right hand. Yeah. You can wear now. Correct. Correct. Come wait, yeah, correct. In the beginning, start with sleeveless jackets and t-shirts. As you can see, with sleeves is bit difficult. And now I'll show you, it's quite easy to teach them when the t-shirt or jacket is sleeveless. Was that hard to wear this jacket?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll wear the easy jacket now, okay? This jacket you can wear. It's very easy and quick. So the other reason why your baby is not putting on the clothes is they might be weak in their fine motor skills. So the solution for this is give them the practice by letting them play some fine motor skill games. If you all want to know some of the games that will increase the hand grip, the finger grip of your baby, then I'll drop the link of those games in the description box below. So keeping all these points in mind and giving practice to your baby, then surely your baby is gonna improve in self-dressing. And regardless if your baby is not able to self-dress, if your child is still seems to be struggling just for putting on socks and pulling out socks after a significant amount of time given to them, then your baby might be having decreased motor or sensory skill issues. So in this case, check with your pediatrician. So if you all found the video useful, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to smash on the bell button. Bye bye.